What is this?
It is a horse.
What is this?
It is a donkey.
What is this?
It is a dog.
What is the dog doing?
It is sleeping. Horse, donkey, dog. Friends.
Is the donkey sleeping?
No, it isn't.
What is this?
It is a lion.
What is this?
It is a fox.
What is this?
It is an elephant. Lion, fox, elephant.
Is donkey a dangerous animal?
No, it isn't. It is a domestic animal.
These are domestic animals.
Is fox a domestic animal?
No, it isn't. It is a wild animal.
Is it dangerous?
Yes, it is.
What is this?
It is a forest.
What is this?
It is a desert.
What is this?
It is a mountain.
These are wild animals.
What is the biggest wild animal?
Elephant is the biggest land animal. The blue whale is the biggest animal.
Is the blue whale bigger than an elephant?
Yes, it is much bigger than an elephant.
Where do wild animals live?
Some wild animals live in the forest.
Some of them live in the desert.
Some of them live in the mountain.
Do they live in cities?
Yes, some of them do.
Are these monkeys?
Yes, they are.
What country is this?
Thailand.
Do lions live in cities?
Normally they don't. But there are lions in the zoo.
Where do domestic animals live?
They live in our houses. They live in farms. They live where people live.